So if you've switched on your Delonghi espresso machine and the steam button is flashing orange, it means it's time to descale it. It's a really simple process, so I'll show you how to do it in a few easy steps. If you have a water filter, you're going to want to take it out of the water container because you don't want any of the descaling solution getting clogged up in there. You want to get a Delonghi approved descaler and pour it into the water container. If you've got the bottle version like this, you'll want to pour about 2 of these capfuls into the water container. You can get pouches in which you just pour the whole pouch, but I have the bottle version. And then you fill up the water container right to the top with water. You'll need containers that can hold water and just position under the areas where water will come out of. So, you know, the espresso, where the basket would go, the espresso part, and also under the steam wand. You can actually take off the rubber part, throw that in the wash, and just position one of the containers under the steam wand. Here I'm using Pyrex jugs, but you can use whatever container really that just holds water. Then simply press and hold this button for 10 seconds. Until those two flash, and then open up the steam wand and push the button again, and then the descaling process will begin. What you can do here is switch from the steam wand to the head, the basket head area, just so that both areas get cleaned through. Keep an eye on how full your water containers are getting. If you need to empty one, just switch where the water is coming from and then empty this one out. Whilst that's descaling's going on, you can clean all the other parts of your machine in hot soapy water. Once the descaling process is finished and all the water is gone, simply top up the machine so that the rinsing process can begin. Once the rinsing process is done, these buttons will flash and your steam button will turn off to show you that the rinsing process is finished. And if you push it, it will now be white. You'll want to hand wash the water container to make sure there's no residual descaler left in there. Once everything's clean and dry, you can simply reassemble the machine so that you're good to go for your next cup of coffee.